Welcome to the Center for Innovative Skill-Based Courses under Open Learning Development Center, Department of Distance and Continuing Education, School of Open Learning, Campus of Open Learning, University of Delhi, where we offer courses on radio jockeying, anchoring and TV journalism. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of media and broadcasting like never before. In today's dynamic media landscape, skilled professionals are in high demand. Our comprehensive course equips you with the knowledge and practical skills to excel in radio, television and journalism. From mastering storytelling to perfecting your on-air presence, our experienced instructors guide you every step of the way. Explore modules on voice modulation, interview techniques and news reporting, tailored to help you achieve your career goals. Enroll today to access exclusive resources and industry insights, setting you apart in the competitive media industry. Don't miss this opportunity to kickstart your career. Visit our website sol.du.ac.in or contact us at 931-8354-363 or 931-8354-636 or email us at skillcenter.cisbc@col.du.ac.in. Enroll now and take the first step towards a rewarding career.